have in Arabic language two expressions really important. The first one, da and di. Da means this is for masculine, and di, this is for a feminine, okay? And we can use it for anything, for person, for objects, for the animals, for anything. So we can say, for example, da Nuh, di Zainab, di Hamad, da Mukhtar, di Khadija. If you want to make a question, just add a at the beginning of di or da. So a, da means what is this, for something masculine, okay? A, di for something feminine. I cannot say a da Nuh, okay? No, I cannot say. I have to refer to the objects or the animal, okay? Yeah, now for example, I can say, as I told you before, a da. Can you respond, please?
ده شيء.
Okay, a di.
دي النضارة.
Good job. I can't find anything here.
Maybe you could say in Inglesi, ones I've learned. So the school supplies or the office supplies.
You can say, for example, like maktab.
ده مكتب.
Da bait. ايه ده? Da bait. In the class, for example, if I share with you that the word or anything, you can say ad, okay? So we have ada and ad, you know. You have to remember this, sure? Okay?